to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are going to be talking about this $13 wig. Yes, I said $13. $13 8-inch wig from Temu or Tumi, or however you pronounce. So yes, y'all, watch me install.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Bless up, 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 bless up.
Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Turkey. Pounding back on the clothes, I need them where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. I say only be with diamonds. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time. See that?
Twist the lie, catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and spent this to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I doubt peel a nigga cap to chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we can go do what you like, I know you like that. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Now everybody go to breakfast.
for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my yo, don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow, and if you go and shadow, I dey cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonnet. That's what you remake could have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all. Hope y'all seen it. I really love this wig. Like, I really love it. Let me bring y'all down to it. I really love this wig. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Temu, how you say it? Y'all please tell me how to pronounce it, because I don't know how to pronounce it. But they definitely did that big one with this one. I love the fact that it's like a perfect cut. Like, can y'all see that? Like, it's like a perfect cut. Like, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I definitely highly recommend, for sure. I love this wig. Like, it's so flowy, it's so, like, no complaints. Now, I can't say that the knots didn't bleach all that great, but, like, it was $13, you get what I'm saying? So, like, baby, makeup gonna do the job. Okay, so yes, link will be in description of this wig. Link will be in description. Like, y'all, I'm so in love. Yes, like, oh, let me put a little makeup. Oh shoot, I come shop these lashes, cause now I got a full mega volume set for $12. Link in bio. Okay, not link in bio, link in description. Okay, but yes, like, look at that. Like, what? Like, what? Like, do it. Anyway, but yeah, do y'all want like day in the lives, stay at home mom, hairstyle? Like, what do y'all want? Cause I'm a hairstylist, I run another business, but I'm also a stay-at-home mama. Like, I also be cooking, cleaning, and having clients, and taking care of this one and my little baby. So what y'all want to see? Anyways, I'm done rambling. I love y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yes.